Oh, very funny. Brian, I like this. Brian writes, got to see the new Taiga in person in Fort Lauderdale boat show. Representative was claiming that they are restricting the speed. Really, it's a plastic ski with an electric motor. It's quiet. Right. It's a Sea-Doo Spark. It's very good looking Sea-Doo Spark. Dimensionally, it's very, very close to the Sea-Doo Spark. But battery life is really, really bad. And those who were able to test it last June, no, it was last July, I was in North Carolina for a photo shoot. And they got really weird about me needing to reschedule for another time to test it. And their media rep, quite frankly, did not want a mainstream personal watercraft publication to review it the way that we would normally review it. And so what they did instead is that they hired, or they wined and dined a bunch of Gizmodo technology blogs and YouTube channels and content creators who would just give it a glowing review and say, this is the most amazing thing. It's so fantastic. It's wunderbar. So anyway, fantastic. Anyways, yeah, we have a long, long way to go before we have electric watercraft, especially now that we're looking at all of the major domestic automakers rapidly backpedal on their electric program. Ford has absolutely backpedaled on their Lightning trucks. I mean, woo! When the CEO takes a Lightning truck on a road trip and calls in support less than a day later, and then is quoted saying it was a horrible experience. Yeah. That and the quote unquote all electric Dodge Charger now is going to have the new twin turbo Hurricane engine in it, and is seen on the production run with motor mounts and all traditional engine compartment. So yeah, unfortunately, the Hemi has to be retired just because of fuel consumption. Oh, sorry guys, I got plenty of rest. I don't know why I'm yawning. That's like the second yawn. I've been holding them back. Yeah, you're seeing domestic automakers are now rapidly backpedaling on the electric cars, and we report this in our car magazine that we do in addition to Watercraft Journal. And yeah, we'll see a lot more small displacement with power adders. 6 cylinders with turbos, 6 cylinders with twin turbos, things like that. We're gonna see a lot of that. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.